Chapter 5. Adverb clause. Time, place, reason. Adverb clause. The adverb clause, like the adverb and the adverb phrase, modifies a verb or an adjective or adverb in the part of a sentence and can be classified according to its function or the work it does in a sentence. Adverb clause are of many kinds and may be classified as adverb clauses of time, place, reason, condition, purpose, result, concession, comparison. Adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of time refers to time. It tells us when the action of the verb in the main clause took place or takes place or will take place. For example, when the chief guest entered, the audience stood up. Everyone stood up when the national anthem was sung. In these two sentences, the audience stood up and everyone stood up are the two main clauses. When the chief guest entered and when the national anthem was sung are adverb clauses of time that tell us when the children stood up and when everyone stood up respectively. We returned home before it became dark. Here again, we returned home is the main clause and before it became dark is the adverb clause of time because it tells us when we returned home. Subordinate conjunctions used to introduce adverb clauses of time are when, whenever, while, after, before, since, as soon, as long as, till or until, no sooner, than, etc. Here are some more examples of adverb clauses of time. She kept dancing till she was tired. You will realize when you don't have anyone around you. You will have to wait until I return. The audience ran out as soon as the alarm went. I feel happy whenever I see a bird. As long as the mother is present, the baby keeps quiet. No sooner did they hear the news than everybody started weeping and wailing. Remember, the adverb clause of time can refer to a point of time or a period of time. For example, when she saw the baby, she was overjoyed. The above adverb clause of time refers to a point of time. While the principal was talking, there was complete silence in the hall. Here the adverb clause refers to a period of time. You have seen that the adverb clause can come before or after the main clause. When the adverb clause of time refers to future time, we use the simple present form of the verb in the clause and not the form that expresses the future. For example, I will go out when I finish my work. Here the main clause uses the future tense, but the subordinate clause is in the simple present. We cannot say, I will go out when I will finish my work. Adverb clause of place. Adverb clause of place refers to places. It tells us where the action of the verb in the main clause took place or will take place. For example, keep the books where I can easily find them. Here, the main clause is keep the books and where I can easily find them is the adverb clause of place, showing where the papers are to be kept. The words wherever, etc. are generally used to introduce the adverb clause of place. Some examples are given below. I shall go where there is complete silence. I will go wherever you send me. Wherever he goes, he will bring sunshine there. I hid the necklace where no one could find it. You can go wherever you like. The dog followed him wherever he went. Adverb clause of reason. Adverb clause of reason points out the reason for the action of verb in the main clause. For example, he couldn't go to Panjim as he missed the bus. Here, as he missed the bus tells us the reason why he couldn't go to Panjim. Hence, as he missed the bus is the adverb clause of reason. Adverb clause of reason is generally introduced by the subordinating conjunctions because, as, that and since. Here are some more examples. He has been expelled because he cheated in the exam. Since Dhoni has sprained his ankle, he cannot play the match. We are happy that it has rained this season. Remember, the adverb clause does the work of an adverb in a sentence. It modifies a verb in the main clause. The adverb clause of time shows the time when a certain action in the main clause took place. The adverb clause of place tells us where the action of the verb in the main clause will take place or has taken place. The adverb clause of reason points out the reason for an action in the main clause.